Tourists know this city with different names. The city of knowledge, the city of arts and culture, and the capital of Gudeg. We'll get into that. In a nutshell, this is the beating heart of Javanese ethnic values and indeed a special region. Welcome to Yogyakarta.
Only on Indonesia.
I wasn't kidding about Yogyakarta being special. Geopolitically, it is a special region, given autonomy by the government as an award for its unwavering support to Indonesia's independence and also an ex-capital city. Hence, Jogja is governed by a sultan, Hamengkubuwono, with the center of its kingdom right here at Kraton Jogja. For 2.5 centuries, this region of 4 million residents has echoed much of Javanese traditions in its sights and sound. And there is no instrument that resonates the sound of Java more than the gamelan. Communities around Jogja like this one still sound the gamelan orchestra in gatherings. With its set of up to 10 musical instruments, Javanese gamelan ensemble fills the air with a soft and slow tone. Recorded history notes that gamelan existed since the 4th century and have since been the companion of dances and Javanese traditional theater arts. Gamelan is one thing, but creating one is a highly skilled craftsmanship of its own. We traveled to Bantul area in the eastern outskirts of the city to find one of the few gamelan craftsmen that still dot the region. Meet Bapak Bandi, a third-generation gamelan craftsman. Following the steps from his father and grandfather, to him, gamelan has much to do with soul-searching.
Ini kan belum pas. Misalnya kalau kita bekerja di tempat lain, itu cuma dari pagi, berangkat, sore, pulang, sudah seminggu gajian. Kalau ini enggak. Ini harus banyak sekali hal-hal yang perlu dipelajari.
A work of taste indeed. Bandi's shop assembles parts outsourced from other regions. This includes setting its racks or rancak and getting the metal instruments, with bronze being the most posh, and following is brass and steel. Sounds easy? As a matter of fact, not quite, because there is one particular instrument that defines the ensemble's quality.
Kalau paling rumit itu di instrumen gender. Kunciannya ada di sini. kunci larasan dari nada yang paling belakang sampai gong itu sumbernya di sini.
A full gamelan set made of steel can go for above 70 million rupiah or 5,000 US dollars, while a bronze set can go upwards of 700 million rupiah or 50,000 US dollars. Yeah, quite a chunk for a Javanese heritage.
Suara masih tetap bagus.
But
tapi
it's a heritage craftsman like Bandi hopes to continue within the family.
Kalau dari kecil sudah ada kecintaan itu lebih bagus. Itu ya yang berusaha saya tanamkan sebetulnya, tapi kan juga sulit, nggak bisa memaksakan juga.